Bonjour, mon élève. Good morning, my students. We are in France today because we are doing home renovations in Paris. And today we are going to rip apart a kitchen and put it back together with all the most beautiful cabinets. Now we need to borrow 2,000 euros. Yeah? 2,000 euros. And we have two options. I'm going to stop speaking in my French accent now, but I have French ancestry. And I thought it'd be fun if we took a trip to France. So yes, we are in Paris. And yes, we are going to do a home renovation. And we need to borrow 2,000 euros, which is the currency in France. Come take a look at our two different options. Option 1, option 2, we can have an installment loan where we pay 90 euros per month over 24 months. Or we can pay 70 euros per month over 36 months. My question to you is, which one has a higher APR? Because higher interest rates make us very sad. We don't want to pay higher finance charges and higher interest rates. We want to pay as low interest as possible. Now you might look at this and you say, oh, easy. 70. That one has lower APR because it's a lower payment. And 90 is higher, so it's higher APR. But here's where you have to be really careful. You're paying this one off in 2 years. You're paying this one off in 3 years. So what you want to do is look at the cumulative payments and see how much interest you're paying over time. That's what's going to help you understand which one has a higher APR. So let's do that. Let's do 90 times 24. Now, we can work on our mental math skills a little bit, make this exercise a little bit more interesting, where it's saying, 24 times 9, even 24 times 90, that might be challenging. But I do know that I can do 20 times 90. 20 times 90, 2 times 9 is 18, and then I have 2 zeros after it. So 20 times 90 is 1,800. Now I've already done the 2. Let me do the 4. 4 times 90, right? 4 times 9 is 36 with a 0 after it. Right? 4 times 90 is 360. Then you can just add these up. You get 2,160. Right? So using your mental math skills, you can do 2-digit multiplication. It's not a super challenge. So 2,160 euros because we are in France. All right, 2,160. So we borrowed 2,000 initially. So there was a 2,000 euro principal. And that's the same for both options. So if we borrowed 2,000 initially and then we paid over time 2,160, then we paid, in this example, in option 1, 160 euros in interest. So this APR, we don't know the exact percentage, but we know total, we paid 160 euros in interest. Let's try the other one. 70 euros per month over 36 months. So we have 70 by 36 months. Okay, again, we can use our mental math skills. 36 times 70 is pretty taxing. I don't really know that. But I do know 30 times 70. 30, or 3 times 7 is 21. And 30 times 70 has 2 zeros after it. So that'd be 2,100. Now I just need to do the 6. 6 times 70. 6 times 7 is 42. And then with a 0 after it makes 420. Now we can add 2,520 euros. And that makes us very sick. Look at this. Ugh. So much higher. This one we paid 160 euros in interest over here. This one we paid 520 euros in interest. 520 euros in interest. So what does that tell you about the APRs? Well, we paid way more interest here than we did over here. It's true that our monthly payments are lower, but we paid those monthly payments for an extra year. So as a result, the one with the higher APR is option 2. We don't like higher APRs. We want lower APRs. So if you can afford it to pay a little bit more per month, 20 extra euros per month, maybe have a few, like fewer baguettes, less cheese while you're looking at the Eiffel Tower, you could say, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to opt for higher monthly payments so that I can get a lower APR. This is the better deal. Now, after you pay it off, 2 years later, you'll have a whole nother year of no monthly payments where you can enjoy all the baguettes and cheese that you want in front of the Eiffel Tower. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Au revoir.